The past wraps me in a blanket that sometimes is suffocating. A trigger of a sound, words, or a gesture can take me back to a scene that I thought was buried under inescapable, hidden feelings. Stepping back from the current surprise, I realize that I am making it real. The control over the feelings is up to me, and only me. Step back, take a breath, and decide what the real reason for the mental abuse is. Brings light to the source and opens a channel of dialogue between a loving but sometimes flawed memory that is stuck where light doesn't usually get to. So it can be healing to face those long ago emotions because dwelling on a hidden past is not bringing me to an enlightened now. I chose my current life because I can, and because I know that is my path to freedom.